Hi everyone, if you have a 2021 or newer Ford F-150, I'd highly recommend getting a glass screen protector to protect your screen, not only from scratches, but also from getting cracked, because if you somehow hit this screen by accident and crack the screen itself, it's very expensive to replace. But if you have the glass screen protector, this will crack before your screen, and then you can just rip this off and put a new one on, way cheaper. So what you want to do is first clean your screen. I've got the little cleaning cloth that it came with, and I'm using a Whoosh screen cleaner. This is specifically made to clean screens, so I'd recommend getting that before you put the screen protector on. You just spray a couple sprays, and then you just wipe the screen down, get any existing fingerprints and stuff off the screen itself. So you can go ahead and do that. And then what you want to do is, because the cloth will leave little specks of dust and then there's dust floating around, inside of the screen protector, you also get the dust remover stickers. So take off one of these stickers and then just twist it just in your hand, just like that. And then just go over the screen. And if you see any dust specks or anything like that, just remove them. Do that a few times all over and get any sort of last minute specks of dust off. And then you want to do the next part fairly quickly so that no more dust can sit back onto your screen. We'll put that down. We'll grab the protector. We've got the little sticky part on the back. Remove that. And then you do want to just align it by pushing on the top and have the top edges rest in first, and then just lay it down from the top to the bottom, and it will start to heal. And then you do have the little piece right here, and you can wait till it heals a little bit. For the most part, it's healing pretty well. We're just going to leave it. If it heals completely, that'll be perfect. If not, yeah, we see the little bubble in the middle, but that's okay. Little bubble right here. So we can just use this little piece, and you see how you just push the bubbles right out. And there you go. That's it. All the bubbles are out. It's completely healed. Grab your little wipe again, and you can wipe it down. But other than that, we are perfectly good to go. So there's no bubbles or anything, no dust underneath. If you've done the proper job, then you're set. There you go.